Hello, we are here today with a mk4 cluster. There was no communication with the cluster, so we are simulating here on bench. We have two powers that are connected with this ACC001 adapter. This connection box, this is a G box too, and of course the hex for back that you can connect with the laptop. So for this we need two powers, one always and one with ignition, one ground that is connected with the disconnection box, and that also provides ground to the pin 5 and 4 of the OBD. We have this OBD wire that was taken off from a junkyard, a power that also is connected to the power to the disconnection box via AAC001, and the power that is going to be connected with this transformer. So we have power with the grounds and positives, and we are getting the key line from this. We soldered a wire from this resistance. The resistance has continuity within here, and the first pin of this integrated circuit. I'm not sure, I think this integrated circuit is is an integrated circuit that works to decode the information of the K-line protocol. So this line it was supposed to came from this pin, if I'm not wrong. Let me see. Yeah, from this pin, and it has all the way back to this pin, this other pin here. So it has a way from this pin that is over here, from this hole to this other hole. So the other you can connect both holes with the other side of the board. So there is a connection from here all the way here. You can follow the circuit, and as you can see that path goes all the way over here, and this has a direct connection with the K-line protocol, that is the pin number 25, that is this pin. But there should be, we can connect this board without using this, just connecting this wire instead of using this pin, I mean this soldered connection. We could use over here the pin 25, but there is no, we cannot do that because we have a problem here on the path of the circuit, that over here, exactly over here, exactly over here, just a small hole that make not continuity between the pin and the IC circuit, integrated circuit. So we did this. So even though there is no communication, as you can see, I'm gonna disconnect this, but we can simulate just with the powers and grounds. As you can see, we're gonna connect the power. It's connecting. There is a noise. It has an alarm because right now it has a. Since this is a back mk4 from 2000 to 2001, it has an immobilizer system inside the cluster. Right now the beeping noise is because since there is no other since there is no ECU or antenna, right now it is detecting that it's immobilized, and it's detecting that the car is on, but there is no key that is that has the transponder, so that's why it's making the noise. But yeah, that's how you turn it on. We can try to check it the other side without. So as you can see, as you can see, it's on. You just need the power and ground, and for the communication, as you can see, there is just 3 wires right now connected, and that is energizing the dash. You just can energize, but to communicate we need one more, that is the K line for this 2000s, early 2000s model. This is actually a jetta. It also will work with other mk4 vehicles. It's not making good connection. My God. Okay, we fixed the connection. Now it's making good connection. Be sure to make a good welding, so it should be touching just that pin, not the other metallic connections, because we don't want to have a short circuit. By the way, this is the microprocessor, is a micronas, so those are very difficult to read. But also we have a EEPROM that has the immobilizer data that is on the other side of the as you can see here. It's a 93C86, so we're gonna have communication. So yeah, this is the first video, and then next we are gonna do another video for the communication with this blue connector, and let's see.